Midnight, my family's asleep. I'm awake, dashboards, posts, unanswered quotes. I'm Guy Zusman, founder of GoMixApp. We make digital signage and self-service kiosks. Every night I became something I never wanted, a one-man marketing department. Stick around, at the end I'll tell you what this team costs. One night I did the math. Ads, social, content, cold outreach, follow-ups. 5 full-time jobs, done by me, badly, at midnight. I couldn't hire 5 people, so I made a decision. I'd build my marketing team instead of hiring it. One by one, AI agents joined GoMixApp. One runs our Google Ads. One optimizes our website. One writes, renders, and publishes our social videos, talking avatars, even singing ones. One writes to prospects personally in their language. One drafts our price quotes with me, studying your needs, our past deals, even sketching your LED screen onto your building's photo. Even the server is managed by talking. It used to mean consoles and SSH. My team runs on AI. When Cloudways shipped an MCP server, it was obvious. I connect through Claude Code and ask, run a vulnerability scan. Set up an API key, one config line. Commands run through Cloudways' own APIs, scoped key. For us, Claude wins on reliability. And the customer, you ask, we understand in seconds. Your quote comes back fast, personal. Follow-ups never slip. One rule never changes. AI drafts, a human approves. My eyes on every draft. 5 agents, 1 Cloudways server, saving us hours every week. I got my evenings back and the job I love. Building, not babysitting dashboards. If a one-man marketing department can become a team of AI agents, imagine what yours could build. Start like I did. One question. You've probably guessed I'm an AI avatar. My agent's stack made this film, voice, face, animation, external AI services assembled on our Cloudways server. This whole team, less than 5 salaries. Honestly, less than 1.